Okay folks, so for those who don't know how Audible works, I will drop a link to that in the description, and for those who don't know how Audible credits work, I will drop a link to that in the description too. But here's something interesting I found that happened after I came out with both of those videos. Let's talk a little about an update Audible made in 2024 for buying new credits. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and I want to make self-growth normal, because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. People shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, please make sure to smash that like button. Our new kitten's having a field day with this couch being in this room now. Me too. I haven't filmed on this couch yet. So here's what's going on. I am on the top tier membership with Audible. I pay them $229.50 plus taxes once a year, and I get 24 credits in return. I finally run out for the year and I realize I'm eligible to buy more credits. Now, what I usually do here is buy 3 more credits, because that's all you can buy. You can only buy 3 more at a time. And I never really understood that, because what if I only need 1 more book? Or what if I want more than 3? So this time when I want to buy more credits, I see that I can buy 1 credit, 3 credits, or 5 credits, and they're all at different prices per credit. Now, what I think happened here is that they figured it's better to have a few different options, and they even added 5 so you can have an even more cost-effective choice. They also added how much you're paying per credit, so you can figure out whether it's worth it more to do this one or that one. The only thing here is that I think these prices may not be the same as yours, depending on what membership you have. Not everyone has the same membership. Not everyone has the membership I do. Most people don't. Probably 80% or more of Audible users have the same membership plan, I would guess. And I talk about what that plan is in my video about how much Audible costs in 2024, but that is the update on credits. I have never seen this before. I've never seen them do this before. If you are only looking to buy 1 at a time, or 3 just isn't enough, then there are now not 1 and not 2, but literally 3 different options for buying more credits. I think this is great, and I think it's another way for Audible to improve our experiences as users. The only thing about this is that, if I'm not mistaken, the 1 and 3 credit options are a bit higher per credit than they used to be. For me, it's maybe 20-30 cents max, but the 5 credit option costs less than the 3 credit per option used to be, in terms of per credit. The thing about all this though is that I've been using Audible for about 8 years now, and I've seen the layout of the app change. I've seen, oh my gosh, Cheeto's playing with the wire for the ring light. So if the camera's moving at all, that's kind of why. Oh my gosh, he's getting caught on. Kittens are a total, they're a handful. They're more of a handful than you might think. But I've been using Audible for about 8 years, and I've seen the layout of the app and the features and the designs, and then even the membership names and options change, but not the prices for the plans or even really the books. So based on my experience, I'm gonna guess that this will all, like the prices, it will all greatly depend on what membership you have. But that is the, but that's my sort of update so far on 2024 as far as Audible. This is a big change I've noticed. I have never seen them make a change like this before regarding credits and options for buying credits. It's really new, but what do you guys think about it? Maybe by the time you're seeing this, it's already been out for some time, and maybe you've used it more than once. How has your experience been? I actually just bought the 5 credits, and I'm really excited about it because I was confused about this for a really long time with the 3 credits. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.